Making image pop and color grading is one thing I struggle with a lot in Photoshop. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy tricks I've learned recently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make your image pop and do cinematic color grading in Photoshop effortlessly. So let's jump right into the video. So to make your image pop in Photoshop, what you need to do is to come to the adjustments here and select presets. In the presets tab, come to creative, this one, and click on it. Then select this first one here, color pop. See, it has changed the image from looking like this to looking like this. So it's a bit too much. You can decide to reduce the opacity depending on what you want. You can bring it down maybe to like 50%, depending on what you want. You can also reduce the intensity this way, or if you don't want to do it that way, you can come down to this arrow here, click on it, select this one here, this vibrance, double click on it. The vibrance is 50%. You can decide to bring it down, or you can decide to reduce the saturation. Here is 25. You can either reduce the vibrance or reduce the saturation. So let's reduce the saturation and see how it's going to look like. So let's bring it down a bit to say, let's say 10. Yeah, 10 is looking good. So these are other ways to do it. It's like you reduce the saturation. It was 25 before. Uh, 50 is too much. So it was 25 before. So I think I'm happy with this. Whichever way you want to do it, as long as you are happy with the output. So let's leave it this way. I'm happy with this one. So let's see the before and after. Here's the before, and this is the after. The next thing I want to do on this image is the cinematic color grading. So let's go ahead to do that. I'll flatten this image. I'll come here and select solid color. On this solid color, enter this hex code 1E3347 and click on OK. Change the blend mode from normal to lighten. I'm going to reduce the opacity to about 50%. Yeah, 50% opacity is fine. And let's add another solid color adjustment layer. So I'll click on this one, solid color, enter this hex code 8D5F24 and click on OK. So this one, I'm going to change it to soft light. Remember the initial was lighting. So this one, I'm going to change this to soft light. Then I'll reduce the opacity to, say, 60%. Let's make the opacity 60%. The next thing I'm going to do on this image now is to do selective color adjustments, just to make the image pop out a bit more. You come here, select this one here, selective color. On the selective color, I just want to work on the neutrals. So let's see what we're going to get from this here. I'm going to increase this one a bit or dial it down to say, let's say -12. Then I'll touch the yellow a bit more. I'll increase the yellow a bit. So you can just play around the sliders and see whatever number you're happy with. So I'm happy with this one here. I'm happy with 4. I'm going to group all these adjustments we've made and see the before and after. This was before, and this is the after. This is before and after. You can decide to reduce the opacity if you want. bring it down a little bit. So let's make it 65%. Yeah, so let's see before and after. The one on the right hand was the before, and the one on the left hand is the after. This is how I do my cinematic color grading. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.